How to fix any old picture. Let's start right now. I took this old Google photo. First we're starting with putting up the saturation a little bit to match the skin tone with the normal skin tone that it should be. Then we use the lasso tool. We select the jacket a little bit. It's so simple, this stuff. We just select it a bit, color it a little bit, cyan this time, light blue. And then the inside we're gonna do it a little bit pinkish to give it a little bit of that vaporwave style again. And then I guess we're gonna do his hair a little bit. We're not gonna do it too neat this time. It's just a quick show out, you know what I mean? Show off, whatever it is. And then let's make him a ginger. Oh shit, his whole head is getting fixed, but we can fix that with a little bit of eraser. Yes, then let's give this guy blue eyes. Make it like a Viking type of dude. Vaporwave Viking, I like it. Hell yeah, that looks great already. Now let's fix the wallpaper a little bit. Okay, that's not gonna work. Yes, let's do it like that. Mask it, fuck it. We can fix it up, touch it up a little bit with some brushes. We can do it very neat actually. We're not taking our time for this. We're just doing it quick to show y'all. So hell yeah, it's just for the show, you know what I mean? Let's make the wallpaper a bit like yellow or something like that, and then like this will pop off. So cool. Now we're touching up the edges a little bit. I'm failing a little bit with that, but when you zoom in and you like do your best with it, it will look way better when you do it like that. And then you make it a meme like that. You put amazing, wow, and you have an Instagram post or something like that. Voila.